Hello guys, in today's video we'll be making chicken vegetable sauce. Here is my chicken that is already. I'll go ahead to add all my seasoning. You can use any seasoning of your choice. Here I'll be adding my paprika pepper. I will be adding mixed aromatic spices. As I said earlier on, you can add any spices of your choice. I will be adding curry, and then I will be adding some salt. I will go ahead to add some vegetable oil. I added olive oil, and then I will go ahead and mix everything up with my hand, and thereafter I will take it straight to the fry pan. Here is my fry pan, which I put oil already. I allow it to hot a little bit, and then I added my chicken mix. I fried this for 2 to 3 minutes, and thereafter I will take it out of the fire and then continue with my cooking. At this point I will add more vegetable oil to this, and then I will be adding my chopped onions and stir this up together, and thereafter I will be adding some fresh pepper, also called atarodo, the one you can tolerate. And then I'll stir this up together and allow this to fry for another minute, and thereafter I will go ahead to add my tomatoes, fresh tomatoes, and then stir everything together. Now I will go ahead to cover this up to cook for another 2 to 3 minutes, and then open up the pan. I'll be adding my garlic powder, my ginger powder, and then curry powder, and then these are some vegetables that I added. And then I'll mix this up, and then I will go ahead and add my blended crayfish, and then reintroduce my fried chicken and give this a thorough stir. I'll stir this up, and then I'll cover this up to cook again for some few minutes, and then open up. I'll add my Maggi, and thereafter I'll add small salt, a pinch of salt, and then I'll add my vegetable. I'll be using 2 different types of vegetable. You can use any vegetable of your choice. I'll stir this up, then I will cook this again. I'll cover this up again and cook for some minutes before adding my spinach, and then I will stir this up. And voila, our chicken vegetable sauce is ready. You can pair this up with rice, with yam, with ripe plantain or ripe plantain. Here we have it. Enjoy yourself. Please watch and subscribe. Thank you. See you in my next video.